have you ever thought about being a stock trader? Well, I have, okay? I have multiple, too many times. But guess what? I just started a new YouTube channel because this time I am committed and I am making it a point right now to say to the world that I'm going to be a very profitable stock options trader, right? So follow my new YouTube channel and you can walk through or join me on this journey. All right. So I'm going to pretty much just post videos about everything that I'm learning. Okay. So I kind of took an introductory course, but I've tried to learn stocks so many times. Okay. I took a very detailed course in 2017, 2018, 2020. Before that, on day trading. So it's been an on and on and on situation, but I never stick with it. But guess what? This time, the whole reason that I am recording is because I will stick to it. I am determined. And especially with this recession coming, I want to be able to print money, okay? Like all the stock option people say they do. So, if you want to join this journey with me, be sure to follow that channel. It's called Trading and Funding with Katina. Just take a look at my first video, okay? And then follow the channel because all of my other videos will be posted there. What? It works. Oh my God. All right. Hi, everybody. It's Katina Willis, and welcome to Trading and Funding. Now, this is my new YouTube channel, and I felt the need to do so because I'm going to be seriously documenting my journey to become a stock options trader. Now, this is like my fifth time trying to learn stock options, and becoming a trader. So, you know, this time I'm going to really show you exactly how serious I am because I won't stop and I will document everything that I'm learning. So, I have been learning behind the scenes already, though. And a lot of what I learned, my first step was to open a TD Ameritrade account and I deposited $1,000 in there, and I applied for options. And when I um, apply for the options, they ask you a lot of questions just to make sure that you know what you're getting into. So you got to answer those carefully and answer it the right way. And basically, they just want you to know that there is risk involved, and you won't become rich overnight, right? So let me all right, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a separate video to show you all that I've learned so far about learning candles and the doji candles and all of that stuff, the hammer and shooting star. So I've been behind the scenes learning about each and every candle. But the main thing that I want to bring or share today, because it was a key moment for me, like I said, I tried to learn Forex back in 2018 and then again in 2020. And I've tried to learn day trading a couple of times. This time I'm so committed. That's why I'm recording my journey. But the main thing that really got my attention today was to identify when the market is about to shift. Okay, so I learned to look for things. I don't know how to zoom in yet. My second step too was opening a trading view account. Those were your most important steps if you want to start a trading journey. So step one, open a TD Ameritrade account. Step two, open a trading view account. All right. And I'll put a link below too, just to make it convenient so you know the right place to go. But all right, let's get back to this chart. I don't know how to zoom in yet because, like I said, I'm new. But if you notice, just look at where I'm making a circle. I'm going to learn how to zoom too. I'm going to learn it. But if you notice right here, where it's a very thin candle, right? It really looks like a cross right here, right? That told us that there was about to be a shift. Okay. Um, Another area over here. Just look at where my cross is, the center point of my cross. I'll put circles around it for now, just because, like I said, I don't know how to zoom in. But right here, so my eye is starting to be trained on what to look for when there's about to be a change in the market because when you're trying to be a trader, we're basically predicting. I don't want to use the word guess, but we're predicting where the market is going to go, the direction that the market is going to go. So even right here, and right now I'm looking at a 5 minute chart of QQQ, right? So that's the stock symbol QQQ. But I'm just starting to train my eye to know when there's about to be a change. So that was my key moment in the last 24 hours because in the past I've learned about the ceiling and the full floor and the support and resistance. I've learned all of that, but this part about training your eye to know when there's about to be a change, I don't remember ever learning that. So that's my journey for today. That's my takeaway for today. And so I'll just see you on the next video. Again, I'll be posting every day. I'm committed this time. So if some people could join me on this journey, that would be awesome. So see you later. It's Katina Willis with Trading and Funding.